Hey guys, it's Vaughn, and today is a clean with me video, but this one's going to be a little different because I'm going to share how we clean as a family when we need to get it done quickly and with teamwork. You guys know I'm normally the one cleaning around here, but today we've got a little help, so I'm going to put on my gloves and my face mask and get started. Reaching for one of my go-to antibacterial cleaners for the bathroom, I'm going to start down here in the powder room, and I'm not cleaning the entire house today, you guys. I'm just cleaning the areas that really needed it, the high traffic areas, so to speak. And today's little cleaning spree actually took place right after we got back from our vacation. We were kind of contemplating whether or not to hire a service to come in and clean, and then we thought about all the money we could save just doing it ourselves. And lucky for me, my husband already had the day off, so I convinced him to get to it. So here we are, and I'm starting in this bathroom because I'm going to just work my way upstairs. We're going to do most of the cleaning upstairs today, you guys, but I do want to at least hit this bathroom because it needed it. And as I head over to the toilet, I'm going to switch to a totally different set of supplies. I switched out my reusable gloves for these disposable ones, and I'm going to use Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day toilet cleaner because it's so awesome. And I'm also going to use paper towels to clean the toilet. I'm using all the same sprays and everything, but I want to use paper towels so that I can throw them right out as soon as I get done. And I am starting from the top of the toilet and working my way down. I'm going to wipe around the floor where the base of the toilet is. And the idea is that when I'm done, I can throw the paper towels and the gloves directly in the trash. It's just way more sanitary this way. And as much as I hate cleaning toilets, I really love the look of a sparkly toilet that has freshly been cleaned. So that's the part of this that keeps me going. But do I like doing this? Heck no. And while I'm down here cleaning this toilet, my husband is actually upstairs already starting in our master bathroom, cleaning that one. So I'm going to meet up with him real soon here. Now I'm just loading all of the rugs from this bathroom and the one upstairs into the wash so that when we are done cleaning, the rugs will be clean and ready to be laid back down. I personally have to have clean rugs and linen to go along with the clean bathroom, no different from a hotel stay. Alright, now that the floors are swept and or vacuumed, it's time for me to reach for my O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System. You guys, this is my favorite mop at the moment, and you can get this mop system from Target, Amazon, Home Depot, Sam's Club, just about everywhere, but I will put the link below if you need it. And I'm just going to use a drop of pine salt in my mop water. You do not want to add too much cleaning solution because it will oversaturate your water. And I'm looking at my mop head and I'm realizing I want to switch it out for a cleaner one. These actually pop off and go right into the washing machine, so you can kind of recycle and refill these as you see fit. So I'm just going to pop a clean one on and we are ready to get started. One of the things that I like most about this mop set is that it's super lightweight and easy to use, right? So you don't need to be Hercules in order to handle this. It only holds a certain amount of water, just the amount that you need, and you can easily move this thing from room to room. For my floors, I love to use scalding hot water if I can. I like to be able to see the steam coming out. To me, it just makes me feel like my floors are getting super clean. And all I need to do is wring this thing 1 or 2 times, and it leaves me with the perfect amount of water on the mop to get the floors nice and clean without soaking them down. And I get a lot of questions about how I keep my floors clean and shiny. I know it can be rough when you have dark hardwood floors, so pretty much I toggle between pine salt and Murphy's oil soap, just depending on which one I have in stock and which one I'm in the mood for that day. Sometimes the fragrance plays a part, depends on how shiny I need the floors to be that day, etc., etc. All right, I'm done downstairs, headed upstairs to join and help my husband because he is struggling a little bit. So I'm just going to jump right in, bringing in my cleaning supplies, and we're gonna get going. For some reason, I always feel like I need to put these shoe covers on. I'm pretty much just wearing my little house slides, but I feel like it keeps some of the dirt that I may have picked up in other areas of the house from getting on the bathroom floor, so I'm just going with it. They always get soaked and nasty and I have to end up throwing them away halfway through the cleaning job, but you know, I always put them on because I just feel like I need that extra layer of protection. This This bathroom is mostly just surface cleaning and disinfecting, but the thing that takes the absolute longest, you guys, is this shower. I have never cleaned this shower in less than 35 minutes. So when it's time to clean this thing, it's best to just get comfortable, put on some music, and enjoy the process. Because you gotta hit those floors, you gotta hit the walls, you gotta clean that rain shower system thing and all of the little knobs that go with it. And then when you're done with that, you gotta clean the glass. And once you're done cleaning the glass, you gotta shine up the glass and make it sparkle. So you gotta use a glass cleaner. So it can become a lot, but I think it's worth it, especially the look of it when it's all done and clean and smelling fabulous. It's all worth it. And for anyone who may have been wondering, I am using bleach products on this grout and tile in this shower because it absolutely is a must. We have to scrub and get that stuff all the way clean or it's going to be unsightly and it's going to have an odor. So the only way to really neutralize all of that is to use some bleach. And I typically wear a mask just because sometimes it can get a little strong. And if you guys are worried about Sansa, trust me, I was trying to keep her out of the bathroom as much as possible, but she just whines and cries. She just has to be near us. So it was hard to kind of keep her out, but I did open the window and turn on the fan to keep this area nice and ventilated. So speaking of the glass, I was so upset that my usual Myers Clean Day tub and tile product is almost empty, so I'm gonna have to order another one like now. But as a backup, I'm gonna use the Method Daily Shower, which is a cleanser that is plant derived, all natural, but when you use it and you get to scrubbing, you don't have to rinse it when you're done. Now I did rinse it because that's just me, that's just like a knee-jerk reaction, that's a habit that I have, but you really don't have to. All you have to do is wipe it off and you can kind of keep it moving. So this is a really great product. I would highly recommend it. It's not only good for getting your shower like back restored to normal through the cleaning process, but it's also great for just daily use, right? So maybe like a couple times a week you can spray this on your glass and just use a little squeegee and be done. And then that way when it's time to do your weekly or bi-weekly cleaning, it's not as heavy of a load. You guys, I was so excited about using this squeegee on the glass in my shower because it got it dry immediately, so I could go right in with my glass cleaner and shine it up and all that, whereas in the past I would have to let it air dry and it would take time. So I was pretty excited, as you can see. Yeah, I was really feeling it. So if you have a shower with a bunch of glass like mine, you absolutely have to get yourself a squeegee. I think I got this one from Walmart. Just about done in our master bathroom. I'm just going to sweep and mop the floors. I'm going to start off though making it really easy for myself. I'm going to use my Shark Rocket Pro cordless stick vacuum that I got from Walmart. Actually hadn't made up our bed yet, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get all this workout equipment out of the way and we're just gonna pick this room up and sweep and mop. I didn't even know he did that until I was editing. He is so silly. But anyway, we're making up this bed and I'm already looking at this footage and I'm thinking how I want to switch out our bedding because I want to do a little bit of a different color scheme in here. But I'm so nervous, you guys, because I'm so afraid of color and dealing with color and all that. But I'm thinking if you guys have any suggestions on accent colors for the kind of like palette that we have going on, definitely comment below and let me know because I am taking suggestions. right, bedroom is looking pretty good. We're moving into Anne's little spaces. So we're going to start with her playroom and just pick up all her toys and get things a little bit more organized before she gets home from school. I had already swept and mopped in here like a couple days before this video, so we don't need to really do that, but I definitely want to get this stuff off the floor before someone trips. And after her bedroom and playroom, we're going to move into her bathroom, which takes a little bit longer because we have that glass in the shower. That's what always takes the longest. We really don't have any shower curtains in our house, and it's beautiful, but it's a lot of work maintaining this glass. So we're just going to tackle it with the same methods as the master bathroom, and we're going to mop the floor and sweep and all that stuff. Alright, almost at the finish line. I went down into the laundry room and got the linen and the rugs out of the dryer, so everything is fresh and ready and fluffy and clean. So it's going to really finish off this beautifully cleaned area. I just love having fresh linen and rugs, you guys. There is no other way. And speaking of fresh linen, I found this Glade Clean Linen scented candle. Why not? I'm going to put this actually on the toilet seat and light that bad baby. And I'm bringing in the towels, you guys. I got these from Home Goods. They are UGG towels. I didn't even know they made towels, but they're really nice quality, very thick and soft. So we really love those. They're a light gray kind of color. I wanted to kind of switch out the black and the white towels and just have like a third option for us. So I'm just popping those on the racks and we're done. And the way that I like to set up the spaces in my home, namely the bedrooms and bathrooms, is I like to try and picture myself on vacation, you know, in a hotel room or an Airbnb. And I observe the way the professionals have everything laid out and how conveniently everything is right at your fingertips. And when I come back home, I try and like create that same vibe for my own house. My thought is that if it's good enough for them to be able to charge people to stay there, then it's definitely good enough for me to incorporate into my own vibe, you know? All right, enough about that. We're all done cleaning. I actually cleaned the stairs a little bit off camera, but I do want to show you guys all the finished rooms, so keep on watching. And you know I had to light candles all over the house because that is my absolute ritual when I clean. It just gives a wonderful, subtle fragrance. It just smells like the house is supposed to smell like that versus those aerosol sprays that are really, really pungent. And I like to actually turn on the ceiling fans because it really helps the fragrance to travel throughout the house. But yeah, I hope this video was inspiring and motivating. Maybe you learned something new, a new tip, trick, or hack for cleaning your house. And I definitely recommend taking the time to clean as a family if you can, because we never get to do this because of our schedules, but we had so much fun today. And I also had fun with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment below your feedback so I know what you're thinking. And I will talk to you guys in my next one.